Good day. This is Joaquim Del Elizar. Today I will show you a lava lamp experiment. The materials I'll be using is glasses, baking soda, vegetable oil, food coloring, white vinegar, and a flashlight. First, in a glass, I'll mix the vinegar and the food coloring. In a separate glass, we will put some baking soda, then I will put in vegetable oil until the glass is almost full. I'll place the glass on top of the flashlight. Then slowly pour the vinegar mixture. Observe what is happening. It forms colorful bubbles rising and falling like a lava lamp. Whoa! Amazing! This happened because oil and vinegar don't mix. When vinegar touches the baking soda, it makes carbon dioxide gas. The bubbles lift the color vinegar upwards. When they pop, the vinegar sinks back down. Wow! Wow! I learned that chemical reaction and density difference can create a lava lamp effect. Thank you. I'm Joaquim Del Elizar from grade 542.